The first word for today is life. Hi everyone. Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma. Ọ bụ nwanne unu nwanyị Aduku, and welcome to my Igbo lesson class where I teach Igbo in the most easiest and funful way. In our today's lesson, we are going to learn some Igbo vocabularies that you may be interested to know or you have been longing to know. But before we move on, please do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and to follow for more Igbo tips. Thank you very much. Let's move on. The first word for today is life. Life in Igbo language is ndo. Ndo. Say it after me. Say ndo. Beautiful. Ndo. The next word is death. The Igbo word for death is um. Say good. Death. The next word is compassion. Compassion in Igbo language is ọmịiko. Say it. Yes, say it again. ọmịiko. Beautiful. So compassion is ọmịiko. The